So, anyways, I've got this experiment going here, and I think this might have a little bit of something to do with microwaves and really not being good for you. Alright, so here we go. Alright, my download speed seems to be about 600 something kilobytes a second. Right? It's hitting, the most I've seen it was 986. But, you know, it's been sticking around 6 and 8 and whatnot. As you can see. You know, it drops down to whatever. But that's probably because of my phone. But watch this. So I'll turn that microwave on, and it'll drop to like 50. And this is what's playing is nothing electrical, just the radio. You know. So, you know, we're hitting 7s, 8s, 825s. You see that? Now I wonder if I put the phone closer, it'll drop. A little bit. No, but watch this, okay? I'll turn this microwave on. It's freaking crazy. Auto reheat 2, start. Sorry, I'm shaking a little bit. I'm standing here. Let me sit. Hold on. Whoa. It's weird because all I did was turn on the microwave. And it's dropped from well, almost a 5th or a 6th, or I don't know, more than that. Shit, I don't know. Now we're not even hitting 1. Alright, now I'm gonna turn the damn thing off. It's hitting the 400s, 500s. See, that's crazy. I'm telling you, that microwave I don't think it's good. It's not good for you. It kills your download speed, like, all the way. It's like a huge, massive something. Alright, let's try it real quick before my battery dies. Damn it. Five 17, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1.80, 70, 60, 50, 40, 30, 20, 17, 10, 5, 3, 2. Damn, that kills the shit out of me. 92, 110, 20, 30, holy shit balls. Well, that's a pretty good experiment. Damn. That obviously means that your microwave kills your wireless and anything else. And notice, my music is just a little deal. Big screen is that computer that's smashed, playing it on there. This is my nice new laptop. Ooh. Anyways, so yeah, experiment done. You keep that microwave off. You run that fast. Turn it on. You drop to nothing, pretty much. Alrighty. Oh, another wonderful day in the mountains with Stefan Kopu.